Very good morning, dear smarts. This is 10th class mathematics, chapter 2, sets. Already we finished. I repeat again some important topics in this chapter. Actually, if you have seen any movie, Bahubali or any other movie, can you identify the dialogues or any other events or scenes? If you watch anytime, compulsory you can identify easily the dialogues and some events, some songs are. So like the same way, in sets you feel it's a movie. In the sets movie, what are these the characterizations? You must know forever. You have long lasting along with you. The knowledge, content, concepts. In sets, there are roster forms and set builder forms, intersections, unions, De Morgan laws, Venn diagrams, subsets, supersets. So revise all these and save in your brain. Save in your brain. Whenever they useful, you may pull out and use those in the board examinations or any other competitive examinations. And differences summary. I am going to once recall all this and I will give some homework also. Then we close it. Then after we move to another chapter tomorrow. Okay. Here, for example, you know mu equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 2, 3, 4 and C equal to 1, 3, 4. C equal to 1, 3, 4. Now find A dash whole dash equal to or show that A dash whole dash equal to A. The second one, A intersection B whole dash equal to A dash union B dash. Third, A union B whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. A minus B union C equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. A minus B intersection C equal to A minus B union A minus C, and A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. A union B intersection A union C. A union pi equal to A intersection pi equal to pi. A intersection pi equal to pi. So like These are all the identities in laws. Once I am going to explain all these. If you find A dash whole dash, first you find A dash. A dash equal to mu minus A. Mu, it's a universal set. Mu minus A. This equal to set 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's mu minus A. A what? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is the difference. What is the concept of difference? The concept of difference is observe both sets which are common. Observe very closely which are common. In both sets which are common, the common elements remove in the first set, the remaining we should write. The common elements remove from the first set. Actually, common elements what are 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Remove from the first set. Remaining right from the first set. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Of course, if there is any element here, 8. There is no 8 in the first set. But we don't write 8 because 8 does not belong to the first set. That is the concept and the rule. The difference A minus B. Now, what we find A dash whole dash. A dash whole dash equal to mu minus A dash. And also, one more point you must remember. A dash means mu minus A. That's mu minus that. A dash whole dash means mu minus A dash. Now, what is mu? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus A dash 4, 5, 6. We get this. Did you get clarity? Now, difference. Common elements 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. Remaining first set. Set of 1, 2, 3. This equal to what? This equal to 1, 2, 3. A. This equal to A. So, A dash whole dash equal to what? A. This is an identity. Identity. Don't forget, forever long lasting in sets A dash whole dash equal to A. How to find A dash or A dash whole dash? If you want to find A dash whole dash or A dash any complement, compulsory must be given the mu, set mu. Next, what is next? A intersection B whole dash. A intersection B, the second one, A intersection B whole dash. A intersection B whole dash, if you want to find A intersection B whole dash, we don't find directly A intersection B whole dash. Before that, we find A intersection B. A intersection B. A intersection B. Find A intersection B. What is A? 1, 2, 3. And intersection, what is B? 2, 3, 4. Intersection means common elements. Common elements. To your family and your uncle's family, in your family who are common persons, grandparents are common persons. Grandparents belongs to you and your uncle's family also. So like and that way, intersection belongs to this set and this set also. 2, 1, 2, yes, 2, 3, 2, 3. A intersection B. Now we are going to find A intersection B whole dash. A intersection B whole dash equal to mu minus A intersection B whole complement. A intersection B whole complement. Mu minus this. Mu minus A intersection B. This part without complement part. Mu minus, right? Mu. What is mu? 1 to 6 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Elements minus A intersection B what? Here 2, 3. Now the concept everyone. Of course, if you move to another chapter, you don't forget forever until your last breath. You must remember along with you. That's my opinion. Okay. 2, 3. Difference 2, 3. Remove 2, 3 and remaining 1, 4, 5, 6. This is A intersection by whole dash. Now A dash union B dash. That's an identity. De Morgan law. Find A dash. Already A dash here. Here in the A dash. This is A dash. No more find out. Now B dash. Mu minus B. Mu 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Minus B. What is B? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. No. The difference. Difference concept what? Observe common elements. Remove common elements from the first set and write remaining in from the first set. Okay. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6. Now we have B dash and A dash. What's the identity? A dash union B dash. A dash union B dash or A complement union B complement. Substitute A complement what? 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. This is the bracket. You write like this. Union B complement. What is B complement? 1, 5, 6. Now A dash union B dash. Union means all elements which are belongs to A and which are belongs to B. Here 1, 1, 5, 1, 4, 5, 6. 1, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 is in 2 sets. 6 is belongs to 2 sets, but we write only one time. Don't repeat the elements 2 times or 3 times. We write only one time. This is say 1. A dash union B dash. What is A intersection by whole dash? This is say 1 and this is say 2. From 1 end 1, 4, 5, 6. 1, 4, 5, 6. From 1 and 2, we have A intersection B whole dash equal to A dash union B dash. It's a bit question also. A intersection B whole dash equal to A dash. Intersection changes to union. If here is the union, changes to intersection. That is another law we have. So observe very closely. And remember, with this clue, A intersection by whole dash, if the removes bracket, intersection changes union, complement get each and every A and B. Complement get A and B. A dash union B dash. Copy down. And children, I think you can do all these identities. You can show all these identities. Here also children another model already you have discussed in the previous class. It's also most important. If you have finished the cross out the sets, you must compulsory have understood all this. N of A equal to N of B equal to N of A intersection B, find N of A union B. Here, how many are there? N of A, N of B, N of A intersection B, N of A union B. 4 variants. 4 variants are there. From these 4 variants, if any 3 have given, we will find out other 4th one. Any 3 have given. Here N of A given, N of B, N of A union B. Find N of A intersection B. Here N of A intersection B given, N of A union B given, N of A given. Find N of B. N of A union B given, N of A intersection B given, N of B. Find N of A B. N of A. How would you find? Get clarity. If you have once known the clarity, you don't forget forever. We have N of A union B equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. This is a formula. N of A union B. In this formula, 1, 2, 3, 4. Among these, if you have 3 values, we'll find out other value, 4th one value. If you have in our hands 3 values, any 3, if these 3 values, if we have, find out this value. If we have these 3 values, we'll find out this one. If we have these 3 values, we'll find out this one. That's the concept here. So don't miss the concept. The substitution here, N of A what? N of A 7. Substitute N of A 7 plus N of B 5 minus N of A intersection B 3. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 minus 3, 9. N of A union B equal to 9. That's it. For example, here in this problem, what I have given here, N of A union B 13, N of A intersection B 3, N of B 5. We don't know N of A. Substitute the given values. Then simplify. What we find, that should be sent to LHS. Remaining all sent to RHS. Simplify, either adding or subtracting. That's all. Then you will get answer. Have you understood? Did you get clarity? That's like do the remaining all. Okay? Have a nice day. We'll go next chapter tomorrow. So polynomials. I think everyone have textbooks. If anyone don't have textbooks, buy immediately. Get textbooks. Particularly, I am going to start tomorrow. So polynomials is very interesting and important chapter in your board examinations as well as in your competitive examinations. It's most important topic. Have a nice time. We'll meet tomorrow.